rationalizing the real number. Okay, in the same point, we are doing rationalizing the denominator. Down your hands. Rationalizing the denominator. Okay, so this is very, very important, beta. That when we have any irrational number, अगर आपके पास कोई भी irrational number है which is in the denominator, question is how to rationalize it, how we can rationalize that number. हम उस number को कैसे rationalize करते हैं? So we have a factor that is called rationalizing factor. But we have a rationalizing factor. What it means? Rationalizing factor is the value which is same in the denominator. जो value denominator में होती है, that same value is rationalizing factor. Okay, for example, if I am having -2 by root 5, -2 by root 5. So what is the rationalizing factor of it? That is root 5. है ना? Value क्या बन जाएगी बेटा? Under root 5. Okay, so simple values we have taken, that when you have any value which is in the denominator which is under root, we take the same value as the rationalizing factor. And some more points we have done yesterday. For example, if I have a by any number a divided by a plus minus b root x. If I have this value a plus minus b root x. 6 participants have raising hand. So you want to tell the answer? Tell in discussion group, beta. Discussion group is open to you. You can give the answer that what will be the rationalizing factor. That will be same value होती है, but with the opposite sign. If you have here plus sign, I will take minus. If you are having minus, then take it plus. Simple. For example, 3 by 2 plus 5 root 7. Okay, this is the question. What is the rationalizing factor? I am just asking what is the rationalizing factor. कुछ तो बच्चे हाथ ऊपर करके भूल चुके हैं. Achal, Pranjal, Sonia and Daksh. You can down your hand, beta. 2 plus root 5, 7. This is the question. 2 plus 5 root 7. So what is the rationalizing factor? That is 2 minus 5 root 7. Take the same value को लेना है, but opposite sign. Sign कैसा होना चाहिए बेटा? Opposite होना चाहिए. Okay. So today what we are learning, मैम ये तो सारा पुराना काम है ना. Today the new thing which we are learning, that is 1 by a root x plus minus b under root y. When you are going to give the competitive exam, मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरी क्लास के बच्चे या मेरे स्कूल के बच्चे they don't know how to rationalize. Okay, if you are learning the topic, so learn it up to that level so that you can give any competitive exam, है ना. Basic तो करना ही करना है, but go to the competitive exams also. So many times you are saying that ma'am we are free, we are not having work, we are doing only 1 or 2 questions, so you can utilize this time. देखो जरा worksheet देखा करो. What are the worksheet related to rationalizing? What are the worksheet related to how to represent the irrational number, rational number? Okay, so what we are learning, that is the new topic, that is what is the rationalizing factor of this type. देखो जरा थोड़ा सा भयानक सा क्वेश्चन है. Yes or no? है ना. Some of you are saying, thinking of it कि मेरा तो लेवल ही नहीं है competitive का. So don't think of it बेटा, you all are in the same level. आप सबके सामने स्क्रीन है. You all are having the same mind, but that depend on you कि कितना आप पढ़ रहे हो. Okay, so what is the rationalizing factor? मैम ने क्या बताया था? Take the same value. A root x, b root y. Take the same value, but with the opposite sign. If you are having plus sign here, तो आपको minus लेना है. And if you are having negative sign, take the opposite, that is plus. Okay, this is rationalizing factor. So what are the examples of it? Ma'am, please tell the example. these are in front of you, है ना, like अमिताभ बच्चन, I can say it, है ना, ये क्वेश्चन जाता है आपके सामने. What is the example? 1 by, let it is 2 root 5 plus 6 root 7. Very simple. 2 root 5 plus 6 root 7. What is the rationalizing factor? Only I am asking this. Asking what is the rationalizing factor? All can give the answer. Hurry up. I want to see the discussion group here, that how many of you can answer it. 2 root 5 plus 6 root 7. 2 root 5 minus 6 root 7. Very good, Nishtha. Very good. So it is 2 root 5 minus 6 root 7. Yeah, actually very nice. Same value with the opposite sign. Some of you are answering very quickly and very by the intelligent way. Yeah, that is good. Okay, good. Okay, so what we learn here, that when you are having any value with the same value in the denominator, with the root in the denominator. Okay, I got the answer. Thank you. So what is the question? It was rationalize the denominator. Okay, I got it बेटा. Same. हाँ, ये तो अच्छी बात है. ये सबसे स्मार्ट आंसर है ना. एक बच्चा आंसर देगा and all will then write same मैम. Okay, that's good, Amrita. So in paper I will write same, है ना. Okay. Now the question is here, 1 by 2 root 5 plus 6 root 7. Okay. First of all, we write down the rationalizing factor. 1 mark तो यहीं पे मिल जाता है. Rationalizing factor is 2 root 5 minus 6 root 7. 6 root 7. Okay. Now, what we do? What are the steps? To multiply with the same value and divide it. है ना? इसी वैल्यू से आपको क्या करना है बेटा? Multiply. And with the same value, we divide it. Plus 6, 7 by 2 root 5 plus 6 root 7. Take the same value. Is it right? No. We will not take the same sign. I want to see it, that how many of you are giving attention. Those who are giving attention, they can see it. Ma'am ने कहाँ गलती करी? Okay. If you are having plus sign, take the opposite sign. हम तो opposite sign लेंगे. Okay. Let's see how we can multiply it. 1 with something, 1 को किसी के साथ भी multiply करो, वो तो same value देगा. 2 root 5 minus 6 root 7. Now this is the problem, ma'am. ये problem है हमारी साथ. We don't know how to multiply these roots. सबसे गंदे बच्चों को रूट ही लगते हैं, है ना. मैम मम्मी जैसे पूछती है ना, सबसे गंदा क्या होता है सब्जी में, so they will say that क्या, करेला, है ना. Maybe some like it because that is good for you. तो क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनर जो कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल में देगा, that is related with the roots, because this thing students don't like, but they want to test the mind of the students. Okay, so we will clear each and every point. हम तो हर एक पॉइंट को समझेंगे. Listen, I will write it as a plus b and this is a minus b. A plus b and what is it? A minus b. Formula तो सबको पता है. What is the formula? That is a square minus b square. Formula is a square minus b square. Take the square of these terms. What is a? देखो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर है, यही तो है a. पूरा का पूरा a बन जाता है बेटा. 2 root 5 whole square. What is b? That is 6 root 7 whole square. Got it? Okay. Numerator, take it as it is. No need of changing it. Denominator, 2 root 5 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? देखो सोचो, 2 root 5 whole square. Okay. So separate it. 2 square 4. Root 5 whole square, that is 5. 5 4 जा, अरे ये तो बहुत आसान है. That is 20. Okay. I am waiting for you that to give the answer of this 6 root 7 whole square. जल्दी बताओ. I want to see the speed of 9th class. 9th class की speed देखनी है मुझे. I am asking 6 into. Okay, yeah. Tanishk have, I think, wrongly answered it. 252. Okay. 52 is the wrong then. 252. Very good. Very good. 6 6 are 36 and into 7. Okay, I can see the very good energy level is there in 9th class. Okay, that's good. So it is beta 252. Okay, I got it. That is 252. तो यहाँ तक हमने किया. So we will keep it as it is. 252, 2 root 5 minus 6 root 7 divide by, subtract it, 20 minus 252, that is 2 as it is, 5 minus 2, that is 3, and this minus 232. So this is our answer. बस यही तो करना था. Rationalize the denominator का मतलब क्या होता है? What is that meanings? That to convert. बेटा देखो, if the question is rationalize, okay, don't get confused कि मैम पता नहीं क्या करना है. Only thing is you have to change the denominator with irrational value to the rational. Irrational number को किस में change करना है? Change into rational. Only this thing. You have to change it this only. Okay. And how to change it? Question is this in your mind? How to change? Multiply the rationalizing factor. Multiply करो और क्या करो? Divide करो. किससे? Rationalizing factor से. Only this thing. Okay. So let's come to the next question. That is, let's see how many of you can do it. This is the next level. Simple questions तो सभी कर सकते हैं, है ना? I want to see that how many of you can answer it. It is 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Okay, first we will clear it and then we come to the question. पहले हम simple questions को study करेंगे and then we see that how to solve these type of questions because they are coming in competitive level again and again. I am telling it. Okay, so these are most important questions of your exercise of this chapter. You can say 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3, that is equal to a plus b root 3. Question is to find what is the value of a and b. What is the value of a and b? So listen carefully. First, we write the rationalizing factor. 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Okay. What is the rationalizing factor? That is opposite to the denominator. Take the opposite sign of the denominator and multiply and divide it. 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So let's see this one. है ना? अभी तक तो 1 आ रहा था. तो देखो बेटा, this 2 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 3, they are same. Can you see this? They both are same. So what is the formula? It is 2 plus root 3 whole square. 2 plus root 3 whole square by, what is this? A minus b. What is this? A plus b. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Okay. Now, a plus b whole square. यहाँ 90% स्टूडेंट गलत हो जाते हैं. I don't know why. That a plus b whole square, it is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. बेटा, don't write a square plus b square. ये नहीं होता क्योंकि कुछ बच्चे 8 को तो स्किप करके आए हुए हैं ना. They have not studied. So don't write a square plus b square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Got it? Okay. So here I am writing 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3. 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3. Answer is 7 plus 4 root 3 by 4 minus 3 तो 1 होता है. No need of writing, है ना? So can you compare the values here? Can you compare it? A plus b root 3. मुझे तो चाहिए a और b की वैल्यू. What is a? 7. a कितना आ गया बेटा? 7. What is B? That is 4. A कितना आ गया 7, B कितना आ गया 4. Tell me student, is it clear? Is it clear to all? Explain it again, ma'am. Okay, listen. Okay, listen. I'm not asking the answer. Okay, so those who are listening it properly, how the 3 is coming, just see this beta. Question is 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Okay, that is equal to a plus b root 3. Question is to find the value of a and b. मुझे a और b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. ओके, सो इट इज नॉट गिवन हियर कि रैशनलाइज करो, है ना, यहाँ पर तो नहीं गिवन है. बट हाउ वी विल डू इट बेटा, वी थिंक दैट वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस रूट. मेरे पास जो डिनोमिनेटर में रूट है मुझे उसको रिमूव करना है. सो व्हाट आई डू, आई विल रैशनलाइज इट. Rationalize it. And how to rationalize it? Take the same value which is in the denominator with the opposite sign. आपको same value लेनी होती है but opposite sign लेना होता है. And then multiply with the numerator and denominator. 2 plus root 3, multiply it. 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Now students are confused that ma'am how to multiply it. This I have explained in the प्रीवियस लेक्चर कि अगर आपके पास आ जाए 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3, so how to solve it? Can we multiply it? क्या हम मल्टीप्लाई करें? बट मल्टीप्लाई तो हम 8th क्लास में सीख चुके बेटा. सो हेयर यू अप्लाई द आइडेंटिटीज. आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करो. 2 plus root 3 होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into a into b. 2 into 2 into root 3. 2 का स्क्वायर 4. रूट 3 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है बेटा? दैट इज 3. 2 2 जा 4. रूट 3. 4 प्लस 3, क्या इनको ऐड कर सकते हैं? यस, रेशनल नंबर तो ऐड कर सकते हैं मैम. 7 plus 4 root 3. So this is the value of the numerator. 7 plus 4 root 3. Now come to the denominator. Denominator I think सबको पता है. a minus b, a plus b. बिना सोचे समझे आपको ये फॉर्मूला लगाना है, क्योंकि हम हमेशा क्या करेंगे, अपोजिट साइन ही तो ले रहे हैं. a plus b, a minus b, that is a square, मतलब 2 का स्क्वायर minus b square, so that is root 3 whole square. Okay, cut it. Root 3 with square cancel. 7 plus 4 root 3 divide by 2 to the 4 minus 3. Okay, clear? 7 plus 4 root 3 as it is, and 4 minus 3 is 1. That 2 root 5 minus root 3. So first of all, take the number, rationalizing factor, that is 2 root 5 plus root 3. Take same in the denominator, 2 root 5 plus root 3. Okay, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सबको आता है. 2 root 5 plus root 3. Denominator, check the denominator, a minus b, a plus b. ये तो मैम ने बता दिया. अब सोचे समझे हमें क्या करना है, बिना सोचे समझे a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर का अप्लाई करना है. a स्क्वायर माइनस b square. Okay, so a square minus b square, 2 root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square. So it is 2 root 5 plus root 3 by 2 to the 4 into 5 minus 3. Okay, it is 2 root 5 plus root 3 by 5 4 is 20 minus 3. That is equal to 2 root 5 plus root 3 divided by 17. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now one simple question, very simple. Let's see that how many intelligent are there. Okay, 1 by 3 minus root 8. एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक बताती हूँ पहले तुम्हारे को, है ना? Then I think it will be easy for you to solve it. देखो क्या शॉर्ट ट्रिक है मैम, देखो जरा. If you are having any number like it is जैसे मैंने बोला था 2 minus root 3, ठीक है, 2 minus root 3. तो बेटा याद रखो डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा क्या आएगा, इसका 1 आएगा. After rationalizing denominator always come 1. मैम how you calculate it? देखो 2 क्या होता है बेटा, अंडर रूट 4 एंड दिस इज रूट 3. 2 का रूट क्या होता है बेटा, रूट 4, है ना, रूट 4. एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग कंटिन्यू वैल्यू, जैसे मेरे पास 4 है, 4 minus 3, तो हमेशा आंसर क्या आएगा, 1. सो कैन यू टेल मी रूट 5 minus रूट 4 कितना आना चाहिए? रूट 4 minus रूट 5 minus रूट 4 का डिनोमिनेटर कितना आना चाहिए? That will come 1. You can check it. Root 5 plus root 4. Yeah, answer is 1. Okay. 1 root 4 plus root 4 by 1. Okay. Now you just tell me the answer of it. अब देखते हैं कितने बच्चे हैं जो इंटेलिजेंट है. 1 by 3 minus root 8 minus 1 by under root 8 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6. This came in last year Olympiad question. This is the last year Olympiad question. What is the answer of it? I can find it within 1 second. I want to see that 9th class students can do it in how much time. देखिए जरा क्या आंसर आएगा. 1. नो बेटा 1 कैसे आएगा? This is your question. Use your mind and solve it. You have 5 minutes for this. है ना? So what I told that rationalizing factor तो क्या आएगा बेटा, यहाँ पर 1 आएगा. Okay, so I am writing it as 9 plus root 8. 9 plus root 8 minus root 8 plus root 7. मुझे तो अपोजिट साइन लेना होता है ना हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर में. प्लस रूट 7 प्लस रूट 6 माइनस रूट 6 प्लस रूट 5 and here plus root 5 plus root 4. You can check it. या तो आप सबको रैशनलाइज करो और अदरवाइज टेक द अपोजिट साइन. डिनोमिनेटर में न्यूमरेटर में क्या करो, सबके साइन को चेंज कर दो. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? रूट 9. ओके, सो व्हाट इज कमिंग हियर, रूट 9 प्लस रूट 8, बाहर ब्रैकेट है, चेंज द साइन, रूट 8 माइनस रूट 7, बाहर प्लस साइन है, put it as it is, root 7 root 6, here root 6 minus root 5 and here minus root 5 minus root 4. Okay, clear? Now cancel out the terms. root 8 से root 8, root 7 से root 7, root 6 से root 6, root 5 से root 5. So root 9 minus root 4, that is equal to 3 minus 2. अच्छा 1 आ रहा है आंसर. तो Answer is coming 1. Okay, so answer is 1 beta. Okay, answer क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. 5 will not come. Okay, so this is your question. You have to do it properly. Okay, 5. मैम रूट कैसे आया 9 पे? ओके 3, ये आएगा 3 प्लस रूट 8 बेटा, बाय 3 माइनस रूट 8. 3 प्लस रूट 8, 3 माइनस रूट 8, तो 3 ही आएगा. रूट 9 का क्या आएगा? 3 तो आएगा. मैम आपने प्लस के साइन चेंज कर दिए, लास्ट वाले. ओके, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, so change it. It is here root 5 plus root 4. Root 5 plus root 4. Okay, this cancel out. 4, answer is 5. Yeah, that is correct. I think rhythm is correct. Okay, answer is 5 beta. So again see it. We have changed the sign of the last one. And the last one, if you see, that is plus. बीच में कितना sign आएगा? 5. हाँ, बिल्कुल. Answer is 5. Okay, so just correct it. Those who have not done, correct it. Okay, so now I want to take the attendance. Okay, so 9th A